Abby, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing you a quick empty empty house tour. If you guys like it, be sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below with what you guys think, and be sure to hit subscribe because we have a bunch of projects planned for this house and I'm sure you're not going to want to miss it. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so we are standing in the foyer. This is our front door. We have a bunch of plans for it. I kind of want a console table here, maybe some hooks on this wall. So we have some ideas going. Stepping down into the living room here, this is a nice big space. As you can see, it's painted green. There's beautiful crown molding up here that we definitely plan on keeping. So really excited about this room. It has a fireplace. We're definitely gonna do some work to it. I'm not sure what I want to do about the black marble situation. If you guys have any suggestions, definitely let me know. I have beautiful hardwood floors. I love the color, so we're definitely not going to be doing anything to the hardwood. We're definitely going to change this outdated recessed lighting to a more modern, flat kind. That's about it that we plan on this room. Stepping back up, we have the dining room. And this video is being filmed on a very gloomy day, but typically this room is super bright, has a lot of natural light, and it's a great space. We have this beautiful molding detail here that we definitely plan on keeping. Michael and I are thinking very bright and white. We may or may not paint these doors that are currently brown white, or we may paint them black. We're still not sure. Again, if you guys have any suggestions, definitely let us know down below. Stepping into this room is the kitchen. Kind of have some stuff on the counters already, so don't mind that. This kitchen is definitely going to eventually be a complete gut job, but in the meantime, we're definitely going to be doing some temporary solutions. This backsplash definitely has to go. We might do some peel and stick in the meantime. We want to get rid of this soffit up here. In the meantime, we might move these knobs down and paint them all white again. I'm not sure. Definitely subscribe so you see what we end up doing. Stepping out here, we have a nice courtyard. Okay, so you absolutely cannot hear me in this portion of the video, but basically this is our courtyard. I absolutely love this space, and this is one of the reasons why we bought the house. I just imagine this space being a very tranquil place. We're probably going to cut back some of the trees and shrubs, definitely clean it up and fix the floors. I'm envisioning a really nice sofa sectional as well as like a small table. I'm very excited to make this space my own. This is probably one of the spaces in the house that I'm most excited to make over. Moving on to this way, we have our hallway, and behind these doors is a laundry room with some very modern appliances. On this side, we have our very yellow mustard bathroom that we're definitely going to be doing some work to. First things first is definitely painting it white. Back in the hallway, we have a very nice thermostat. Here's our like HVAC, water heater, stuff like that. And then this is a nice little coat closet, which is definitely gonna come in handy. Now we're back at the front of the house and we are ready to come upstairs. Upstairs we have two bedrooms. This one is the primary bedroom, but it's definitely the smaller of the two, so I'm not sure if that was a typo or not on the floor plan. But we have a nice big spacious room nonetheless in this brown color with these brown carpets that we're definitely going to change out at some point. We have a nice walk-in closet in here with some shoe storage and some pins in case we needed that. Wrapping around to the other side of the room is the bathroom. which looks like it was recently updated. These brown cabinets are definitely going to be changed out. On the other side of this door is the toilet and shower, which also looks like it was recently updated. There's nothing wrong with it, but we definitely want to update it to our taste. So coming out of this room back into the hallway, we have what we are going to call our primary bedroom. This room is a nice blue color, so we're definitely going to have a fun time painting this place. I'm not excited, but this room includes 2 closets and is much bigger than the other room across the hallway. So this is what Michael and I are going to use as our primary bedroom. And this room also has its own separate bathroom, which also looks like it may have been recently updated. Cool part about this one, it comes with a blue tub. And this bathroom has its own separate linen closet, which I really like. And that was our empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below with any design suggestions you have. We're definitely taking them. And if you guys want to see what we turn this space into, if you want to see us paint and change out the kitchen and bathrooms, definitely be sure to subscribe because we have a whole bunch of videos coming to this channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.